try. Very simple to make it. Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, welcome to my channel. This is my first time I make a vlog and then I must speak English very well. So when I cannot speak English very well, I'm so sorry. Okay, in this vlog, I want to introduce to you about the traditional food. Today means JEMBLEM. If you are curious, watch this video until the end. Okay, the ingredients that must be prepared are cassava, brown sugar, a pinch of salt, and enough oil. First thing we do is grated cassava and chopped brown sugar. Then add a pinch of salt into the grated cassava. Knead both until well blended. Take enough grated cassava, flatten, and add brown sugar in it. Cover the sugar until it's invisible. Runny. Do it until the cassava grated runs off. Then add oil to the pan. Heat the stove over medium heat. Enter the JEMBLEM into hot oil. Just one bag, okay? If you have anxiety chocolate, remove and try. Let's in on a plate. Finally, you can add the topping as you wish. Not using topping is also delicious. And voila, JEMBLEM ready to eat. So that is how to make a JEMBLEM. And then let's try. It's so good. Brown sugar. Oh, I like it. So good. It's traditional good. And then it is very, very simple to make it. Thank you very much for your attention and for your support, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Okay, bye.